Today, I'm going to activate your mind to manifest money fast, and it's going to shock you. We're going to be using manifestation and activating your manifestation power, but also using simple science to prove to you how real this is. A couple of months ago, I shared a video about activating your mind for manifestation, and it received hundreds of comments from people with instant results and proof that it works. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gareth, and I've been mentored by a world-famous spiritual master and Himalayan yogi, and I am a subconscious reprogramming expert and manifestation guide. I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive abundance and success into their lives, and I'm going to help you do the same in this video. My goal is to make manifestation simple, science-backed, fun and practical so that you can really see the results working in your life. You're going to love this and you're going to have a lot of fun doing this, but it's really important that you watch to the end of this video because every part needs to be in place for this to work properly. This is how you will know your manifestation is working. After you've watched this video, you're going to start seeing gold keys everywhere. Yes, gold keys. Any type of gold keys. Like gold keys that unlock doors, actual keys. You're not going to look for these keys purposely. You're just going to notice them because we're going to activate the RAS inside your mind. The RAS filters out more things that match your predominant thoughts. And just by watching this video and attaching to this energy, you're going to see gold keys. And it doesn't matter where you see them. It doesn't matter if you see them on ads, in jewelry boxes, even in your top drawer, on TV. It doesn't matter where you see these keys. When you see them, it's going to be a powerful sign that you have unlocked your mind to attract wealth into your life. So next time you see a gold key, take that as a sign that you have unlocked massive wealth and abundance and activated your manifestation power for money. To make this even more powerful before we get started, set your intention with the universe by commenting on this video, I have activated my money manifestation power, and hit the like button so more people can benefit from this video. To make this work correctly, this next part is so important, so make sure you listen closely. When you manifest a cup of coffee, there's no resistance. You know the steps and you're going to get up and go and do it easily because there's no resistance. When it comes to money, there's so much resistance around money because we've been trained and programmed from a young age to think that money is scarce and money is hard to make, and it's not easy to make money. So if you feel like money always slips away, it's not your fault, it's just been hardwired into your brain. And I'm going to prove this to you now. Finish this sentence after me. Money doesn't grow on. I already know you said trees, right? Where did you hear that? You don't even know where you heard that, but it's hardwired into your brain. So even though you might not be thinking that consciously, that is a subconscious pattern that is running on autopilot in the background and controlling your frequency when it comes to manifesting money. Before we go any further, let's clear some space there so that we can really start to activate the RAS. Take one slow, deep breath in with me. And on the exhale, just silently whisper, I release my old stories about money. I am open to receive massive wealth and abundance in my life. Just that tiny shift, along with the powerful steps that we're going to use next, is enough to open up space for this to activate inside your mind. Your Reticular Activating System, or the RAS, is like a filter in your brain that filters out more things that match your predominant thoughts. So let me give you an example. Have you ever bought a red car, or anyone in your family ever bought a red car? You've never ever seen that car before, but as soon as somebody buys it, or even you buy it, all you see is that red car everywhere. It's because you activated the RAS. In my previous video, I was talking about yellow flowers. Hundreds of people commented they started to see yellow flowers and attached that to abundance. In this video, we've activated your RAS to see gold keys. And now your mind is going to be primed to see these gold keys. And when you do, that is a sign that you're going to unlock massive wealth into your life, as long as you believe you will, and follow the next steps carefully. When you prime your RAS with the right beliefs about money, people, places, circumstances, and synchronicities will start showing up all around you that pertain to your goal of wealth and abundance. They were always there before, but now they really stand out. Now we're going to prime the RAS even more to see these gold keys by activating it with some powerful money affirmations. But the difference with these affirmations is rather than stand up and pump your chest and start shouting into a mirror when you don't really believe it, you're just going to make it simple, casual, neutral and obvious. Neutral is the powerful word here. If you say, I want a cup of coffee, There's no resistance whatsoever to that because it feels so normal to you. When you say, I want more money, money holds huge resistance because there's so much pressure about money in day to day society, all around us pressure, tax, bills. But when you start to relax and just say it casually, that's when the universe really responds. In quantum physics, there's a thing called balanced forces. What this means is when you start shouting, screaming affirmations, there's a balanced force of resistance that can pull it the other way. When you just casually state these affirmations as if it's obvious, right? It's natural. Things start to happen really fast. And that's a key component to this video. So I'm going to say these affirmations really softly, and I'm going to leave a gap for you to say it after me. I want you to be really calm, really chill, really certain that this money is going to come into your life. Because you were born as total abundance. Anything else is a lie. You were meant to expand. Look at a seed, it just grows. It doesn't have fear, doubt, or resistance. It just grows, and a seed will grow through concrete. You were supposed to expand and grow, and you are total abundance. When I say these affirmations, say it after me like you're just talking to a friend. Treat the universe like your best friend. Watch what starts to happen. Money flows to me effortlessly. I see money in abundance everywhere I go. Money shows up for me in fun and unexpected ways. I receive money with ease. I don't even have to try. All I ever see is evidence of money all around me. I have more than enough now. I've always had enough, and I will always have enough. Take a deep breath and smile and feel like it's already done. And that is your RAS locking in. For the next part, we're going to do a quick visualization to really lock this in. So close your eyes and just imagine that you're holding a shiny gold key. In front of you is a big gold lock. Lift up your hand and put the key into the lock. As you unlock the door, you hear the loud click of the key in the lock. Now pull the door open and imagine millions of pounds in cash flooding out of the door all over your legs and all around you. And just breathe that in. Feel the relief that all your debts are paid, all your bills are paid. You can buy anything you want and you never even have to look at your bank account ever again. Now your subconscious is linking gold keys with massive abundance. For the next part, we're going to do a second round of affirmations to really lock this in. And the calmer you get, the faster money comes towards you. So really relax into this with me. Say this naturally in the gaps after me, every time with even more certainty. No matter what I do, money always keeps finding me. I am a magnet for money and massive abundance. Money keeps coming into my life in bigger and better ways. I handle money well, so I always receive more. Attracting money is natural for me. That was even stronger, even calmer, and even clearer. And now your RAS is fully activated, ready to attract massive wealth into your life. To keep this activation alive, here is a short 1 minute daily practice that you can do. Every morning, say this affirmation 3 times. Money flows to me effortlessly just by being myself. In the daytime, notice gold keys all around you. And every time you do, say, yes, I've activated my RAS for wealth and abundance. In the evening, write down one piece of money evidence that you saw. It could be a refund, a free cup of coffee, a bill that you were able to pay. Anything that you see as abundance, you write it down. And that is how you really reprogram your subconscious mind in real time. All that's left for you to do now is watch the magic unfold. And when you see gold keys, please come back here and drop a comment. because you have unlocked the RAS to see massive wealth and abundance in your life. And if money shows up for you in any way, please share that too. If you missed my first video on activating the RAS, I'm going to link that above so that you can watch that after this. And if you enjoyed this video as much as me, please hit like, hit subscribe, and leave comments, because it really helps. I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive success and abundance in their life. You can click the link below and see hundreds of videos of real stories from people who've had massive success by working with me. And if that resonates with you, you can book a call. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Big love.